guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box to show you guys. That is the box from Fashionista. Do you want to see what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received the box, and this is a newer subscription box. They were going all over Instagram, and I was watching and kind of paying attention, trying to see if it's something that I wanted to bring onto my channel. And then I had a few of you guys actually reach out to me and ask me to review this for you guys. So at first it was kind of difficult for me to find where the subscription box was, because I kept bringing me to Fashionista, this is Fashionsta. The I's not there. So when I finally did find it, because I had quite a few of you guys ask me to review it. So after like the third or fourth person, I was like, okay, let me go ahead and grab this so I can show you guys what it's all about. And in doing so, I got waitlisted because they were already sold out of the ones that they had opened up to. So I was on the wait list, and I'm now off of the wait list. But while I was on the wait list, I did do the $50 mystery box. It was 5 products, supposed to be like high end. So I did show you guys that. I wasn't overly excited about that, so I'm really hoping that this box is better. This is only $19.99. I will link them down below if you would like to check them out. What I've been hearing is this is supposed to be like the newest, greatest Ipsy and BoxyCharm, basically. So let's go ahead and look in here and see if it is. So they did have my mailing label that was covering this closed, so I was able to peel off my mailing label, and now I can get to the box. And that is where you get it. It's Fashionista. What? Shop Fashionsta. The third time I'll get it right. And it is really, really hot in here. If you can see, our AC in our house just broke. Was it a month ago? We were out for a week in our shop. Today, we don't have AC. This is the second day. We need a whole new unit. So I don't know how long we're gonna be without an AC unit. So I'm gonna try to make this quick. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like with the tissue paper. There is a sticker that says "The Box" by Fashionista. So there's that. And let's go ahead and see what we have. Okay, so there is a card, and there are the products. Kind of awkward how I'm holding it right now, but let's go ahead and see. Now it says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored 100 to 150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. I want to personally welcome you to our Fashionista Glam Fan, a consciously curated collection of classic brands, the unveiling of new and emerging brands boxed and delivered to your door each month. So there we have it. And it does show total retail value of $151 is what this should be. So let's go ahead and see what we have. First thing right on top I'm seeing is a beauty blusher by Beauty Blender. So there's a beauty blusher. Looks like a little guy down there. This says, this mid-size applicator in a gorgeous grapefruit shade. Is grapefruit gray? Oh, grapefruit shade, but that looks gray. Is designed to deliver and seamlessly blend the perfect amount of blush onto your cheeks. This is valued at $16. And if you guys follow me, you know I'm not a blush fan, so I will go ahead and set this aside in my giveaway pile, and it'll go to one of you guys. Next on top, we have Lapkos. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. This says Pep Up Cheeks, $24. Long-lasting, soft, and pressed powder blush. So let's see. Okay, so there is the actual packaging, and inside there is a mirror on top. It comes with this brush, and then there is the color. It has a protective on top of it as well. That's just like a peach. It looks like kind of like a peach color. I will go ahead and set this aside because, like I just explained, I'm not a huge blush person. So I'll set this back in here, and this will go to one of you guys. Oops, wrong way. And again, this is valued at $24. This is over the box already, just in this product. And we're down 2. Next we have, from NCLA Beauty. I do see this brand going around subscription boxes, but not in this color. I normally get a bright pink. This is actually like a baby powdered blue. This is in the shade Let's Stay Forever. And this says, this sexy and, oh, that's a lip gloss. Nope. So I guess we have a lip gloss in there. NCLA $16 nail lacquer, award-winning nail lacquer with long-lasting, highest shine, and most importantly, 7 free formulas. So there's item number 3. Then we have Wake Up Makeup NCLA. There's nothing else on here that says NCLA, so this is probably just a little additive bonus because of the nail polish. And I'm assuming this is like a compact mirror. Let's see. Yep, double-sided compact mirror. That's really nice. So you have a little compact you can toss in your purse, your gym bag, whichever you would like. There's that. And again, that is not on here, so that's just an extra. So now we have, I'm not sure how to say this name, but this looks like this is a eye primer. So there is an eye primer. And this guy says, eye primer, $32. High performance eye primer designed to absorb oil and lock down eyeshadow and eyeliner. Formulated with skin loving antioxidants in a sheer peach tint that works with every skin tone. Apply to clean lid and apply with finger or your applicator of choice before applying eyeshadow and or eyeliner. So it comes in this little guy right here. I'm not gonna open this because I don't use primers, face primer, eye primer. I don't use any of that. So I will go ahead and set this aside for one of you guys to enjoy, but that is really neat. So there's that. And it says, there's no color, it's just eye primer. Crease-free color lock. So there's that guy. Next we have is Everyday for Everybody. Everyday for Everybody. Smooth Operator, very hydrating face and body mist. Contains natural ingredients, moisturizing and cooling, non-toxic, no nasties. Smooth Operator. So there's that. This is valued at $18. This magical concoction is formulated with soothing aloe vera juice, a calming witch hazel that's infused with vitamin C, rich Cadieu plums, and desert limes. Whether it's used as an after sun or beauty mist, this soothing operator, or the smooth operator, will leave your skin feeling plump and hydrated. And there's the actual packaging, and then the top has that little spray right there. So I will probably end up putting this in a future giveaway, so I'm not gonna spray it or anything. I don't do a lot with mists and setting sprays and all of that either. I know, I'm very basic. Next we have is a product from Loralac, Ultra Ego Lipgloss. That looks very pretty. This is $17. This sexy and playful lip gloss coats your lips in highly pigmented gloss color. Contains antioxidants such as acai berry, pomegranate, grape seed it's probably supposed to say grape seed extract, but it says C, S-E-E. I think it's missing the D. Grape seed extract is what I'm going to assume. And vitamin C and E to nourish, moisturize, and protect. Directions: apply lip gloss over lipstick or on bare lips with the attached doe foot applicator. So there's the doe foot applicator. And there's the color. It smells good. I love when a lip gloss smells good. Very soft, very light color, so there's that. And then the last item in here, you guys, is this product right here, Do Yo Squats, from Real Her #2 Eyeshadow Palette. This here is $28. And it says, this eyeshadow palette offers 9 motivating and empowering shades in 4 finishes: matte, sheen, shimmer, and metallic. Each of these natural shades easily blend and never crease and can create an eye look you desire. This palette offers rich, true to color pigment payoff with each swipe of application. So let's get these colors swatched. Okay, so there are all of these colors right there. So there's the colors, there are like a lot of browns, there's a little bit of like burgundies, that kind of shades, but that is really neat. I mean, I have a lot of palettes that are kind of like similar colors, but this is like an everyday wear, and I can definitely see me using a complete look with this because it does have the lighter to the darker shades. Yeah, and I do appreciate that there's different formulas inside here. So again, there is all of the shades right there, and there's the swatches. So that is everything that came in here. We here at Real Her donate a part of our proceeds to nonprofit organizations that help the lives of women and girls throughout scholarship programs, leadership, advocacy, education, and research here in the US. Wow, that's cool. They gave you this little card that says that. So they also give back. That's amazing. And this says it's vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, long wear, paraben-free. So I've never heard of this brand before. And again, it looks pretty. I mean, I like the colors. Very natural colors. So that is everything that came in this box. Again, this is only $19.99. So I believe this box is definitely way better than that $50 mystery box that I bought, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products plus an extra item. So that's 8 different items that is in this box for $20, free shipping. And you have almost like a full face. You have eye primer, you have the eyeshadow, you have the lip product, do your nails, you got the blush, you have the hydrating mist, and you even have a blush blender. All of this for $19.99. So have you guys heard of this? I haven't seen any unboxings of this box. Not yet. I'll go and look and see if I can find any now to see if we get the same. I don't know if everybody gets the same products every month or what. Again, this is my very first time bringing this on my channel. I haven't seen unboxings. I just found them from Instagram and you guys asked me to bring it on my channel. So that is what I've done. And I love bringing new boxes to you guys. So this one I did buy a 3-month subscription. I didn't go all gung-ho like others and I regretted it. So this time I only stuck to a 3-month subscription so we can see 3 months. And then from there we can figure out if I'm gonna get another 3 months or continue my subscription or what. So if you're looking for an inexpensive box that you get all different types of items, then maybe this is the box for you. If you want to wait and see what my other 2 boxes do before you jump on board, no problem. I just wanted to, again, get 3 months so we can figure this out and see what this box is all about. And so far, so good. I mean, I think it's a decent box. What do you guys think? Did you get this? Are you on the wait list? Are you off the wait list? Are you on the fence if you want to get this? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction with me means the world and I greatly appreciate it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and then you'll be able to see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.